Meaning of hearer.
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 Hearer. The word hearer refers to a person who is listening or attending to something, especially to a speech, lecture, or conversation. It suggests someone who is actively engaged in the act of hearing, rather than just passively letting sounds enter their ears. As a noun, the term hearer emphasizes the role of the listener, particularly in relation to a speaker or presenter. In essence, a hearer is an individual who is listening with intent and purpose, in order to gain information, insight, or understanding from the communication being presented to them.